guys, it's Baby Unicorn here and I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be playing some TNT games. So, our first game that we will be playing is TNT Run, and if you've never played that before, this is how it works. So, it's a bit hard to explain, but I'll try my best. So you start on the top floor, and whenever you walk, behind every block that you step on disappears. So, if you step into a block that's disappeared, you'll fall into the next level, and eventually you'll fall out of the world, and if you do, then you're dead. And it's good to not walk behind someone, because then you'll be walking in their trail, which their blocks will get deleted. So yeah, and whoever is the last person standing wins. So let's jump into it. Okay. We've only got 7 more seconds left. Oh my god, why do people come out in public naked? That is gross. Oh my god, guys. It started. Oh my god, I fell. Lag. Walk around in spots that aren't broken. It's very laggy. Oh, I fell out. Guys, look at this. How much lag we are getting from all this TNT. Do you reckon I could drop down here without falling on any blocks? Let's try. Oh, I fell on a block. Oh, and I fell on another one. Okay, let's go back to the lobby and look at our next game. So our next game is Bow Spleef. So if you've never played that before, it works like this. So again, you kind of start on a top layer and you get given a bow, and if you shoot the bow onto TNT, the whole ground is TNT, and then the TNT will explode. And if someone's standing there, they'll fall down to the next level, and you'll eventually fall out of the world like the previous game. The last person standing wins. So, yeah, you don't get any damage from the bow, you just get pushed back or something. Or it could explode, the TNT could explode and you fall down to the next level. So, let's jump right into it. And guys, some of you may have heard of me before if you watched the amazing Katie Gamers. So yeah, and if you've never heard of me before, then here's your chance to see me. And yeah, and if you haven't heard of Katie Gamers yet, then you should go and check her out. She's amazing. We both love to dance, and we're both best buddies, and we both love unicorns. And guys, sorry if you hear any background noises, and comment down below if you like these TNT games, and comment down below, like right down here. And when you hit my subscribe button, well, please hit it. Hit it like this. Wachoo! Smash! I just hit it. Baby Unicorn's subscribe button. Whoa! So please hit it. Okay, ready guys? Okay, we're here. Now we wait a few seconds and then we get given our bows. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. See, I just shot that on fire. Oh my god, I fell already. This game goes really quick. Why don't we watch at these all professionals? Let's look at this girl. Let's keep an eye on this girl. See how long she lasts. Oh, she's going really good. Oh, she fell. Okay. So, now, because that round went pretty quick, let's have another go at it. Oh, and guys, all these TNT games are very quick games. We have a new map. Oh, I think it's a new map. And yeah. And guys, when you comment down below, if you tell me your channels, I'll surely check them out if I have time. And yeah. And from now on, guys, you guys are in charge of what other games you'd like me to play. Okay? So, in 20 seconds, it's going to start. I'm so excited! And you know how I mentioned before that I love to dance? Here's your chance to see me dance! Spin, spin, spin. And a leap, leap, leap. Oh my god, guys, it started. Ready to get our bows soon? Well, we're going to get them in a few seconds. Ready? Oh my god, guys. I just flew. So far, I already think I'm going better in this one. Some people are already dead. Oh, thank God that piece was there. I accidentally just shot that right in front of me. Run! Let me cozy up here. Oh my god, guys, I just fell. Well, at least I did a lot better in that round than I did before. Now let's go back to the lobby and play our final game. So, our final game is TNT tag. And guys, if you've never heard of that before, it's where, some people start with TNT, and you'll be able to see if they have the TNT because it'll be on their head. And you run around and the people with the TNT try to tag you, so then they'll give you the TNT. And then if you get it, you need to tag other people so you don't have it. And yeah. And if you have the TNT with you, when the timer finishes, you'll explode. Okay, so that's how TNT tag works, so let's jump right into it. It will start in about 55 seconds. I love to hide under these tunnels. I'm going to wait under here to see if I hopefully spawn under here. And I think I might have already said this, but I'm sorry if you hear any background noises. My house is a very noisy house. Ready? Oh my god, I don't have the TNT with me right now. Oh my god, I've got it. Oh, run into the tunnels. Okay, I think I'm pretty safe for now. Let me just keep running around here. Oh my god, that person has a TNT. Turn the other way. Run, run, run. The explosion will happen in about 22 seconds. So far, I'm safe. I do not have the TNT with me. Oh my god. That person doesn't have it, but I'm still just going to not look back and I'm just going to keep running. Oh, I saw people with the TNT up there. Keep running. Okay, those people exploded. So far, still, I do not have the TNT, which is good. Okay, keep running. I hear people. Oh my god. Run. Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. I'm having a fight with this person here. Oh my god, I've got on my way. I need to find a new person to hit. Quickly. I'll blow up in 10 seconds if I don't. I can't get to him in time. Anyone, come out, please. 4, 3, 2, oh, I blew up. Oh. At least I didn't blow up in the first explosion. So, guys, I've got to go now, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Please comment down below and subscribe and hit that button So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. So I've got to go now, and keep watching my channel, please. Bye guys!